Welcome to another adventure on the bass boat. Let's get some. I'm in experimental mode today. I've been out a little bit early this afternoon and I've been experimenting with my trolling gear, marking out different meterages on my braid line at 40 metres and 50 metres and 60 metres. See if I can get a little bit of more depth out of my lures, and I'm a little bit wider at the moment, and yeah, I got all my speculator lures out and different things, and yeah. First fish of the day, a little leatherjack. What they call like a maramigo. But it's really like a really heavy sort of vibe, really. Vibrates really nice, so yeah, I've got that down, just slow pitch jigging it. Caught some red rock cod on it and things like that, but I reckon a big snapper would hit it. So yeah. The old leather jacket. Without a doubt, it's a beautiful fish. So today I'm gonna, you know, like wait for it to get a bit later. I'm gonna cast some soft plastics for some snapper and a bit of a troll. There's no other boats out, very little activity at the ramp, so you know, I'm not expecting too much, but it's better than being at home. See what happens. I'll get back to you. Something on the trolling rod. Good fish. It's a long way out. Hoping that he's a snapper. Whatever it is, slam me very hard. It's like a nice snapper to me. Yeah, not a bad little fish. Probably high 40s. Close to 50, big tail on him. But yeah, early in the afternoon. Any snapper I catch on the troll, it's absolutely awesome for me. I think that's about the 7th snapper I've caught on the troll. So yeah, I'll take him. What do we hit this time? A little bit of weight to him. Oh, I need to pump him up a bit. It's always interesting when you're fishing. Never know what you're going to hit. Yeah, one of the trebles was in his fin. So that's why he was pulling so hard. Oh, thought that was a lot bigger snapper. Still, I'm not complaining. That's 2 on the troll today. I'm just gonna have a flick with a plastic. Could be a few snapper around today. It's a fair bit of swell. Yeah, I'll take him. All right. Here's a fish on the plastic. Oh, gotta tighten up my Hollywood drag. Just gonna put a mark on my sounder. Huge school of bait here. Snapper must be just laying under him. Yeah, not a bad fish. Yeah, nice fish. Beautiful eating size. I got him on a 3-inch gold prawn. There's a massive school of bait there that I came across, and I'd say these snapper are just working around the edges and underneath them. So. Oh, fish on the trawl. Keep his head up a bit. Okay, I can relax a bit. Got him up in the water column. Just back that drag up a little. He's not too bad a fish. Got him close to the boat. Here's a nice fish, probably close to 60, I'd say. That's the 3rd fish on the trawl, but yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of this trolling. Starting to get the hang of the depth, where you need to be, how much line you need to let out on your line to get them down there, like, and yeah. So had to cover a lot of ground today, but there's a little bit of a show of fish. I'm going to measure him. If he's over 60, I'm going to let him go. This fish is right on 60. I'm going to give him a swim and going to let this fish go, yeah? Yeah, too beautiful a fish to kill. Go on, baby. Oh yeah, got a bit of kick. Go, go, go. All right, yeah, well that fish swam off, which is good. Right on 60, that's my rule, man. When they're right on 60, 60 and above, I'll let them go. Too good a fish to kill, you know, like, well, I haven't absolutely killed them today, but I'm pretty happy. Like, I've caught 4 fish, and they've all been not too bad a fish, the biggest being that 60 there. 3 fish on the trawl, which is, you know, really good for me. 1 on the plastic. I think the fish, there's a slight show of fish, you know, have come in on the coast, but they're not thick, and they're just really, really spread wide apart, a lot of water between them. But anyway, man, that's a wrap on the bass boat. I'm kind of stoked. It's a beautiful night, not much wind, fair bit of swell, so I'm gonna head on home. Let's send it.